This Google Sheet is an AI app with a simple free workflow. It knows how to fill the rows automatically.
In this video, we learn how to create a workflow that connects Google Sheet to Gemini AI, how to set the modules, how to set their configurations, and the exact prompts we're going to use in Gemini to read the data from Google Sheet and write the output we need.
The first thing we need in Make is creating a scenario that connects to our Google Sheet and reads the rows. So here in creating the scenario in make.com, we first connect a Google Sheet. For connecting your Google Sheet to your make.com, you need to do some authentication and connect your Google account to Make. If you haven't connected, you can use this setting to connect your Google account to Make. After that, we are going to search for our Google Sheet and just type here the name of the Google Sheet we created in our drive. The one I created is Gemini AI agent because I'm going to use Gemini as well as like the thing I do in all of my videos. And sheet name, select the sheet name, the table contains headers, and put this limit to 1 so it only reads one row at a time. And in this page, choose all and save.
Well, what about the brain we need? We need an AI that reads data from our Google Sheet and converts it to the output we need. In our example, we are feeding the Google Sheet with the user feedbacks from our sample products. It will read their feedback, write a summary, and give it a point and a draft how to answer them. Google Gemini is best for doing this kind of works, and it has a free API. You can connect it to make.com and create an AI workflow that is very fast and secure to handle this kind of tasks.
Now our sheet needs a brain. So what is the brain we are always going to use is Gemini. And we go to make.com, create a module, Gemini, and generate a response module. And before that, you have to connect your Gemini API to this. If you haven't created your API, you can get it from aistudio.google.com. Copy it and paste it here. I have done it before, as you can see, and the name of my API is Content Manager. The model we are going to use is Gemini 2.5 Flash. And here is the message we are going to tell Gemini we are going to send. Set a role to user. And here paste the text of the prompt that I'm going to talk more detail about it now. What is this prompt? It tells the Gemini to act as a customer success AI agent and classify our feedbacks. Our Google Sheet contains too many feedbacks from our customers. We want to analyze the sentiment of each feedback, whether it is positive, negative, neutral, or urgent. Write a summary, maximum 10 words from that feedback, and draft a response. If it's negative or urgent, be empathetic, apologize, and offer a solution. If positive, if neutral, and etc. And assign a priority score from 1 to 10. The output is only raw JSON, and we are going to use JSON coding here. It's not kind of coding, it's very simple. You see, we tell it to the sentiment should be a string, the summary is a string, and etc. We'll just copy the prompt and put it in the exact place of text prompt in our Gemini module. Paste it here, and we have to tell it to read the data from the row from our Google Sheet. There's something we have to set in the setting. You see, we delete this part and choose the row, the user feedback from the row of our Google Sheet. We save it here, and it's done.
Well, we now have the output. Gemini has read the data from Google Sheet, has created an output, wrote the summary, created a JSON formatting for the output we need to put it back in our Google Sheet. Now we have to connect our Google Sheet again, but this time we are going to create another module. This one writes on our Google Sheet.
Now that Gemini has created the output, we want to write them again in our Google Sheet. We again connect to Google Sheet, but this one is going to be update a row module. We choose our sheet again and choose that exact sheet name. And we have to choose the row number. Select this field, and from the right menu, just select the row, the first row, And so it's going to say, what should I write? In the sentiment, we want to get the sentiment output from Gemini. From summary, we're going to use the summary output from Gemini output. And the suggested draft and the priority score. We are using the output of Gemini to write on our Google Sheet. So the scenario is complete. We're going to check it. We paste the feedback here, run the scenario, and it sends the feedback to Gemini, and it's written in our sheet. Let's check it. As you can see, our second row is complete. The sentiment is urgent. Let me just change it so we can read it a bit better. And the summary is written in less than 10 words, and we have a suggested draft to answer our customer. And there's a priority score because it was urgent and the user needed refund immediately. As you can see, we can check it again, copy another feedback, run it again, and as you can see, the third row is filled, it's neutral, and user desires improved speed in future updates, and we just write a draft to answer them.
Well, this is it. Today you learn how to read data from Google Sheet, how to analyze it, and how to work on it and create the output you need for your different tasks. This simple task was about reading user feedbacks and rating their feedbacks and how to answer them. You can change the prompt I gave you in this video, change the settings and the modules, and create lots of workflows that are useful for automating your daily tasks. If you want to learn more about how to use AI in your marketing and other day-to-day tasks in your business, you can watch the playlist of AI for marketing on my channel. And thank you very much for watching the video. See you soon.